Welcome kids, today we're going to have a fruity adventure as we explore the health benefits of three amazing fruits, apples, bananas, and mangoes. These delicious fruits not only taste great but are also super good for your health. So, let's dive in and discover the wonderful world of fruits. Our first fruit of the day is the apple. Did you know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Apples are packed with nutrients and health benefits. Here are a few. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps keep our tummies happy and our digestion smooth. They are full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, which boosts our immune system to help us stay strong and healthy. Apples contain antioxidants that protect our cells and help us grow big and strong. Now, let's move on to the wonderful world of bananas. Bananas are not only a tasty snack but also super healthy. Here's why. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which helps our heart stay strong and our muscles work properly. They are a quick source of energy, making them a perfect snack for when you're on the go or feeling tired. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which helps our brains work at their best. Our final fruity adventure takes us to the tropical world of mangoes. Mangoes are not just delicious, they're also packed with goodness. Mangoes are full of vitamin A, which is great for our eyes and skin. They contain vitamin C, which boosts our immune system and helps our bodies heal. Mangoes are high in fiber, helping us with digestion and keeping our tummies happy. So, there you have it, kids. Apples, bananas, and mangoes are not only tasty but also super good for you. Eating a variety of fruits like these can help you grow healthy and strong. Don't forget to wash your fruits before eating them, and always ask a grown-up for help when cutting or peeling them. Remember, fruits are like nature's candies, and they're a fantastic way to snack while taking care of your health. So, go ahead and enjoy these delicious fruits and have a great time staying healthy. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of apples, bananas, and mangoes, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational videos. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and keep exploring the amazing world around you. Bye for now.